If you're a homeowner in Jacksonville Beach, Florida, looking to increase the value of your property, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is installing new windows. With the area's unique coastal climate and the potential for both vacation rentals and long-term investments, upgrading your windows can yield significant returns. Let's dive into the key benefits that new windows bring to your Jacksonville Beach home and how they can positively impact its value. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions are everything, especially when it comes to real estate. New windows can drastically improve the curb appeal of your home. They are one of the first things potential buyers or guests notice when approaching your property. New, modern windows make your home look fresh, clean, and well-maintained, all of which create a welcoming atmosphere. Whether your style is traditional or contemporary, there are numerous window styles available to complement your home's architecture and enhance its overall aesthetic. The beauty and appeal of updated windows can give you an edge in a competitive market. Energy efficiency and cost savings. The coastal climate in Jacksonville Beach presents unique challenges when it comes to energy efficiency. The hot, humid summers and mild winters can lead to higher cooling and heating costs. New windows, particularly those with energy-efficient features, can help regulate the temperature inside your home and reduce energy consumption. Energy-efficient windows typically have multiple panes, low-E coatings, and insulating gas fills, all of which help to keep the heat out in the summer and trap warmth inside during the cooler months. For homeowners, this translates into significant cost savings on monthly energy bills. Buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient features, making your property more attractive. Plus, homes with energy-efficient upgrades often rank higher on the energy performance scale, which is another selling point for prospective buyers. Increased natural light. Natural light is a highly coveted feature in any home, and new windows can allow more sunlight to enter your home, brightening up your living spaces and creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Larger windows or strategically placed windows can help to maximize the amount of natural light that floods into your home, creating a more airy and open feel. This can significantly increase the perceived value of your home. In coastal areas like Jacksonville Beach, access to outdoor views and abundant sunlight is a major selling point. New windows can help you frame the stunning beach views and lush surroundings, offering buyers a unique opportunity to connect with the environment from inside the home. Improved noise insulation. Living near the beach means your home is likely subject to coastal winds, the sounds of crashing waves, and, in some areas, busy traffic. New windows designed with noise reduction technology can help create a quieter, more peaceful living environment by minimizing sound infiltration. This is particularly attractive for homeowners or renters who value peace and tranquility, especially if your home is in a busy area. With enhanced soundproofing, you can offer a comfortable retreat from the noise of the outside world while still being close to all the excitement of Jacksonville Beach. Better protection against the elements. Given Jacksonville Beach's proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, homes in the area are exposed to more extreme weather conditions, including hurricanes, tropical storms, and saltwater corrosion. Investing in high-quality, impact-resistant windows will not only protect your home from potential storm damage but also enhance its safety and security. Many of these windows are designed to withstand heavy winds, debris, and water, giving homeowners peace of mind during storm season. For buyers, knowing that the windows have been upgraded to withstand coastal conditions can be a major selling point. They will feel reassured knowing the home is prepared for severe weather and that they won't have to worry about frequent repairs or replacements. Higher resale value. All of these benefits, enhanced curb appeal, energy efficiency, increased natural light, noise reduction, and improved storm protection, come together to boost your home's overall value. According to many real estate experts, homes with new, high-quality windows tend to sell for more than homes with outdated or worn windows. Buyers are willing to pay a premium for properties that offer modern conveniences, and windows are a feature they often prioritize. When it comes time to sell your Jacksonville Beach home, having new windows installed can make your property stand out among the competition, helping you attract more potential buyers and command a higher price. Conclusion. Upgrading your windows in Jacksonville Beach is a smart investment that not only improves the look and feel of your home but also contributes to its long-term value. Whether you're planning to stay in your home for years to come or are looking to sell in the near future, new windows provide a range of benefits that can make your property more appealing to both buyers and renters. From enhanced energy efficiency and curb appeal to increased natural light and improved protection against the elements, the return on investment is clear. So, if you're ready to make a smart investment in your Jacksonville Beach home, consider upgrading your windows. They could be just the improvement your property needs to shine.